The Inspect panel gives us a visual way to interact with each and every element on a given page. And we will cover three main features of Inspect panel: selection, hierarchy, and movement. Let's start with selection. As you hover over different element in the Inspect panel, you can see the corresponding elements on the canvas will highlight. Same thing from the canvas. And if we click on an element in the Inspect panel, we have effectively selected it. If we click some of which outside the visible part of the canvas, it will take us right there. Now, what about things that are challenging or even impossible to select on the canvas? For example, I'm going to change the property of this text to display none. Now, the text is just hanging out there somewhere in space. It still exists, but no way to select it on the canvas. Well, the Inspect panel is the way to go. The second big feature of Inspect panel is hierarchy. It is really effective way to get an page hierarchy of which elements are nested inside the other elements. You can expand or collapse parent to see what is inside. Let's talk about movement. Inspect panel is a quick way to move element around the page. We can reorganize sibling elements very easily that share the same parent. We just drag the element and place it right where we want it to go. And that's it.